Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert picture in round shape in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert picture in round shape. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Shape drop down menu and choose the oval shape or round shape. Then press Shift on our keyboard to draw this shape perfectly. Then click the shape and go to the Shape Format menu. Click Shape Fill drop down menu, choose Picture. Then choose Picture from our file. Now I select this picture and click Insert. Now we can see we insert picture into round shape this Publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.